Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
A drop map shows pin drop locations with coordinates and radius overlays. It visualizes where to drop supplies, markers, or assets. You can use latitude and longitude to place precise drops on the map. Pins accept decimal degrees like 40, 7,128 minus 74, 0060 for exact placement. Common radius choices include 5 kilometers for neighborhood planning and 500 meters for site detail. Overlays help plan coverage and avoid gaps. The visualization improves routing and decision-making for teams on the ground. Start a new map, then import or enter coordinates manually. Use CSV import with latitude and longitude columns for bulk pins. Set pin icons, labels, and a radius such as 5 kilometers to define coverage. Use color categories to separate types of drops by priority. Preview the map to check overlap and gaps visually. Save the map version and name it clearly for future reference. Export a backup CSV to preserve your pin list and metadata. Share a map link with view or edit permissions for collaborators. Choose role-based access to control who can change pins or settings. Export pins as CSV with lat, long, and label columns for external use in navigation tools. Use the map in live navigation to follow pin sequences and avoid redundant drops. Update maps weekly or after significant field changes to keep accuracy. Archive old map versions with timestamps to track changes and decisions over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.